I am Dr. P.B. Piste, Professor in Chemistry at Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Art, Science and Commerce College, Ramanagar, Burli. Now today we will see here the Organic Chemistry paper 10th for the BSc part 3rd. The name of the topic is Infrared Spectroscopy. Our inspiration, founder of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Karmavir Bhaurav Patel. This video is for educational purpose only. No copyright infringement. This copyright belongs to its rightful owner. The credit goes to respective video music composers and singers. The pictures, images, names and or photographs shown and or depicted in this video tutorial are for representation purpose for ease of understanding the subject. The pictures, images, names and or photographs are used for educational purposes only. Now we will see here the infrared spectroscopy. Now last video we have studied the Hooke's law for the calculation of vibrational frequency and factors affecting on the infrared absorption frequency. Now we will see today that is the characteristic of IR absorption of the functional group such as alkane, alkene and alkyne, that is the hydrocarbons. Now first of all we will see the characteristics of the alkanes in the IR spectrum. Alkanes have no functional groups. Their IR spectrum displays only carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-hydrogen single bond vibrations. Out of these, the most useful are the CH bonds, which appear around 3000 per centimeter. Since most organic molecules have such bonds and display these bonds in their spectrum. Now the spectra of the simple alkanes are characterized by their absorptions due to the CH stretching and bending, that is the C single bond C stretching and bending bonds are either too weak or low frequency to be detected in the IR spectroscopy. Now in simple alkanes which have very few bands and each bands in the spectrum can be assigned. Now let us consider here the carbon-hydrogen single bond stretch, that is we say CH stretch. Now the absorption band of the CH stretching for the simple alkanes which observed at 3000 to 2850 per centimeter. Similarly, the CH bending or the scissoring band observed at the 1470 to 1450 per centimeter, while the CH rocking methyl from the 1370 to 1350 per centimeter, while the methylcene in the absorption band, if it is the long chain alkanes, then it is observed at the 725 to 720 per centimeter. Now see the IR spectrum of octane. Now octane contain the group that is the CH3 group and the CH2 group. The octane shows the vibrations such as the stretching vibrations as well as the bending vibration. In the stretching, showing the symmetric, asymmetric and the bending vibration. It also shows the scissoring, rocking, twisting and wagging. And corresponding, the absorption band is observed in the IR spectrum. Note here that the strong bands in the 3000 to 2850 per centimeter region is due to the CH stretch. Now here the CH stretch is observed at 2971 and 2963. 2963 frequency is of the CH3CH stretch, and the CH stretch due to the CH2 is observed at the 2971. Now here the CH scissoring, which is occur at the 1470 per centimeter, while the methyl group, the rocking vibrations is observed at the 1383. Now see here in this the spectrum. Now this is the scissoring, this is the methyl rocking, which is observed at 1383, while the long chain methyl rocking, which is observed at the 728. If there is a long chain, because we know that octane is the long chain hydrocarbon. If there is long chain hydrocarbon, the methyl rocking takes place at the 728 per centimeter. Now this is noted in this the spectrum. Since most of the organic compounds have these features, and these CH vibrations are usually not noted when interpreting a routine IR spectrum. Now this is the IR spectrum of octane. Now the next you will see here the N-hexane. This is the IR spectrum of N-hexane. It is also the long chain, and it also showing the CH stretching with the CH2, that is the methylene group, as well as the CH3 group, that is the methyl group. The CH2 group, the CH stretching is observed at 2962, while the CH3 group, the CH stretch is observed at 2864. Now here you see here the bending vibrations of the CH2 and the CH3 group is also the observed. See here by this arrow, the CH2 bending at the 1462, while the CH3 bending, that is it is observed at the 1381, while the CH2 rocking, it is observed at the 728 per centimeter, as like that of the N-octane. Now this is of the IR spectrum of N-hexane. Here only we have to find out the CH stretching, bending vibrations, because these compounds contain only the carbon and hydrogen. Now see the next one, the IR spectrum of 1-chloro-2-methyl-propane. It is also the hydrocarbon, but we introduce one of the heteroatom, that is the chlorine. Now other than carbon and hydrogen, one of the hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine. Now we know that the chlorine is more electronegative, electron withdrawing group, and here it is showing a minus I effect, that is the minus inductive effect, and therefore it is shifted to the higher frequency level that we have already studied in the last video. Now see here the CH stage is observed at the 2976. Also of the CH stretching of the methyl group, it is observed at 2873. While here the CH wagging in the terminal alkyl halides, their CH is observed at 1271. See here the wagging of the CH. While the CCl, the stretching is observed at 743. Now this is of the IR spectrum of 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. Now see about the alkene. Now alkenes are the compounds that have carbon-carbon double bond. Alkene having the carbon-carbon double bond. The stretching vibration of the carbon-carbon double bond usually gives rise to a moderate bond in the region 1680 to 1640 per centimeter. The stretching vibrations of the C double bond CH bond are of the higher frequency than those of C single bond CH in the alkanes. The strongest bands in the spectrum of the alkanes are those attributed to the carbon-hydrogen bending vibrations of the double bond CH group. Now these bands are in the region of 1000 to 650 per centimeter. Now here, beside the presence of the CH bands, the alkenes also show the sharp medium bands corresponding to the C double bond C bonds. Stretching vibrations at the 1600 to 700 per centimeter. Some alkenes might also show a band for the double bond CH stretch appearing around the 3080 per centimeter. However, this band could be obscured by the broader bands appearing around 3000 per centimeter. Now see here the IR spectrum of 1-octene. In 1-octene, the bands greater than 3020 per centimeter for the double bond CH stretch, and the several bands is at 1644 per centimeter. Bands for the CH scissoring at the 1465 per centimeter, while the methyl rock observed at the frequency 1378 per centimeter are marked on the spectrum. In the routine IR analysis, these bands are not specific to an alkene and are generally not noted because they are present in almost all organic molecules, that is in the fingerprint region. The bands at 917 and 1044 are attributed to only the double bond CH bands. Now here is some informations about the alkenes, that is the double bond C double bond C stretch becomes more intense when it is conjugated with the carbonyl group. Now when it becomes the more intense if the C double bond C is the conjugation form. Secondly, the CH band is a good diagnostic for the alkene type. The monosubstituted alkene gives the strong band at the 995 to 985 and 910 to 905 per centimeter. If it is the disubstituted geminal, that is the double bond CH2, it shows the strong absorption bands at the 895 to 885 per centimeter. If it is the disubstituted trans shows the absorption band at the 980 to 965 per centimeter. While the disubstituted sees, then it shows the absorption band, two strong bands at the 730 to 665 per centimeter. Now see here the IR spectrum of the 1-octane. It is showing the alkenes double bond CH at the 3083, then alkane at the 2966, while the 2863. This is of the CH2 and the CH3, while the double bond CH it is increases due to the stiffness of the bond. As the stiffness of the bond increases, the force constant increases. As the force constant increases, then frequency also increases according to the Hooke's law. It is also showing the stretching, scissoring, rocking, bending vibrations at their respective positions. That is, the stretching is C double bond C is observed at the 1644, scissoring CH is observed at the 1465, the methyl rocking observed at the 1378, and double bond CH bending is observed at the 1004, while the double bond CH again it is observed at 917. Now see the another example of the ethylene, that is the C double bond C is observed at 3083 per centimeter. C double bond C is observed at the near about the 1500, while that indicates the presence of the ethylene group. Now see the alkynes. Alkynes, that is the carbon triple bond, is called as alkynes. It means that it contains the triple bond. Now it shows as a sharp weak band at the 2100 per centimeter. It indicates the presence of the triple bond. The reason it's weak is because the triple bond is not very polar. If it is the polar bond, then it gives the sharp or strong bond. But here it is not the polar, therefore it gives the weak band in the IR spectrum. In some cases, such as in highly symmetrical alkynes, it may not show at all due to the low polarity of the triple bond associated with these alkenes. Now terminal alkenes, that is so say those where the triple bond is at the end of the carbon chain, have CH bonds involving the sp carbon, that is the carbon that forms the part of the triple bond. Therefore, they may also show a sharp weak band at about the 3300 corresponding to CH stretch. Now internal alkynes, that is those where the triple bond is in the middle of the carbon chain, do not have the CH bonds to the sp carbon and therefore lack the aforementioned the bands. Now see here, this is the IR spectrum of alkynes. The CH stretching is showing at the CH stretching was showing at the 3300 per centimeter, while the C triple bond C was showing at the 2120. The presence of this absorption band indicates the presence of the triple bond, that is the alkynes. Now this is the typical infrared absorption values for the various types of the bond. Now see the C triple bond N, C triple bond C, which observed at 2100 to 2260 per centimeter. Alkyl CH, it is the less than 3000 per centimeter. Alkenyl CH, it is the more than the 3000 per centimeter. And alkynes sea stage, which is observed at 3300 per centimeter. Now for the next video, visit Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's YouTube channel Rayat Knowledge Bank. Now thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.